The process of bringing a new drug to market is long, complex, and costly, often requiring investments that can exceed $1 billion. Startups and big pharmaceutical companies each play vital but distinct roles in this journey, and collaboration between them has become a key driver of innovation and efficiency in drug development. Startups are often the source of breakthrough ideas and cutting-edge science. With lean teams and a culture of agility, these young companies are able to pursue novel approaches and technologies that might be considered too risky for larger organizations. However, startups typically lack the financial resources and infrastructure needed to navigate the lengthy clinical trial process, regulatory hurdles, and large-scale manufacturing required to bring a drug to patients. Big pharma companies, on the other hand, have deep pockets, extensive experience with regulatory agencies, and established global marketing and distribution networks. These strengths make them well-suited to scale promising discoveries from early-stage research into approved therapies available worldwide. Yet large organizations may be less nimble or willing to take risks on unproven concepts. To bridge these gaps, a variety of collaborative models have emerged. Startups often seek funding from venture capitalists or government grants in the early stages. But as their projects progress, they may enter into partnerships with big pharma. These partnerships can take the form of licensing agreements, co-development deals, equity investments, or outright acquisitions. In such arrangements, the startup gains access to capital, expertise, and infrastructure, while the pharmaceutical company secures a stake in innovative assets that could become future blockbusters. For example, a startup might license its technology to a pharma partner in exchange for upfront payments, milestone-based funding tied to clinical progress, and royalties on eventual sales. Alternatively, a big pharma company might acquire a startup outright to integrate its pipeline and talent. Some collaborations involve joint ventures or strategic alliances, where both parties share costs, risks, and rewards. These collaborations are mutually beneficial. Startups receive the support needed to advance their discoveries, while big pharma companies supplement their pipelines with fresh innovation. Ultimately, this synergy accelerates the development of new medicines and increases the chances of delivering life-changing therapies to patients.